Once, in the great kingdom of Hastinapur, young princes from the Kuru dynasty trained under their wise teacher, Guru Dronacharya. Among them were the brave Pandavas and their cousins, the Kauravas. One sunny morning, Guru Drona decided to test his students' focus. He tied a wooden bird high on a tree branch and called the princes one by one. The challenge was simple: hit the eye of the bird with an arrow. First came Yudhishthira, the eldest Pandava. Guru Drona asked, "What do you see, my son?" Yudhishthira replied, "I see the tree, the leaves, the sky and the bird." Guru Drona shook his head gently. "You may step back." Next came Bhima, strong and fearless. "What do you see?" asked the Guru. Bhima said, "I see the bird and its feathers." Again, Drona said, "Not enough focus, my child." One by one, every prince tried, Duryodhana, Nakula, Sahadeva, but none could satisfy the Guru. Finally, it was Arjuna's turn. He stood tall, bow in hand, eyes sharp as an eagle. Dronacharya asked, "Arjuna, what do you see?" Arjuna replied calmly, "I see only the eye of the bird, nothing else." Guru Drona smiled. "Then shoot." Thwack! The arrow flew straight and struck the bird's eye perfectly. The forest echoed with applause. Guru Drona said proudly, "Arjuna, you will become the greatest archer in the world because you have mastered the art of focus." From that day, Arjuna's name became a symbol of discipline, dedication, and perfect concentration. Moral: when your mind focuses on one goal without distraction, success surely follows.